one more verse. We have time.
बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परमे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः.
Perfect. He is saying Balastavat. When I am in my childhood. Okay? Krida Saktaha. What am I asakta about? What am I attached about? Play. I want to play, I want to play, I want to play, I want to play. Look, children, all the time, the minute they open their eyes, they want to play. They want to play with this one, this thing, that thing. Play, play, play. It is natural. In this, okay, when I am in my childhood, I want to play. Next is Tarunastha. Okay, when I am in my Tarunavastha, Taruna stage, when I am in my youth, what am I asakta in? Attached to Taruni. Okay, so when you are a youth, you're interested in the opposite sex. Like, I'm infatuated by that boy, or I'm infatuated by this girl. I like that one, I like this one, and there are flowers and buds and roses and all kinds of flowers blossoming. That's the age. That's the age for feeling. Your hormones are making you feel all this naturally. Okay, so in your childhood, I want to play, play, play. Asakta, I'm attached to play. In my youth, I'm attached to the opposite gender. And in my Vriddhastavat, in my Vriddha state, when I enter into my old age state, I'm attached to Chinta. Because a small baby, 4-year-old, 5-year-old, 3-year-old, they don't have any chinta. They're always playing, always busy in playing. In the youth, kai ka worry. I'm having fun with my friends and my girls and my boys and my stuff. Not much chinta. Chinta starts after the youth. As we start moving towards old age, middle age, old age, chinta starts. So what we get attached to? Chinta. Honestly speaking, are we really attached to our family? Or are we attached to the chinta? We need to think of this. Are we attached to our anxiety? Are we attached to the worries? Or are we attached to the people actually? Probably we are not as attached to the people as much as we are attached to the worry about those people. So eventually you are only attached to worry. We are not, see, if somebody tells you that your children are doing well and everything, and they also say we are doing well, but still you're worrying. Why? Because I'm attached to worry now. The children are fine, I am fine, but I need to be attached to something. So I decide that I want to get attached to worry now. So as we get older, we get attached to worry. And then Adi Shankara is complaining, is saying, but the Parabrahma, ko api na saktaha. Nobody is attached to Parabrahma. He is saying every stage of life, we are attached to something or the other. In old age, we are attached to chinta, worry. He says, chinta saktaha. But Paribrahmani, the Parabrahma, ko api na saktaha. Nobody is attached to Parabrahma. Everybody is attached to 1, 2, 3. So he is giving stages of life. Okay, childhood, then youth, maybe middle age, then old age. So these are stages of life. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And in these stages of life, what we are attached to. But nobody is attached. Nobody is attached to Parabrahma. And what are we supposed to be attached to? That one Parabrahma, that one divinity, that one substratum, that one pure consciousness that is permanent. And this can bring permanent happiness to us. We were supposed to be attached to this, but we are not. Why? We'll take the next words.
काते कान्ताकस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयमतीव विचित्रः कस्य त्वं कः कुतयातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्रातः.
Adi Shankara is really feeling too much empathy now. So he is telling this person, Bhrata, my brother, he's come down to that stage, okay? Like, itna sab bola, I told so much. Now I'm coming to the point where I say, my dear brother, who is this wife? This is very interesting, okay? Kate Kanta, who is this wife? Kaste Putra, who is this son or child of yours? And then Samsaro, I am Ati Vichitra. He says Samsaro Yama Ati Vichitra. The world, the samsara is extremely vichitra, extremely strange, extremely, something that you need to wonder about. Who is this wife? Who is this son? Who is this child? Think, he is saying. Next he says, Kasyatvam kaha kuta ayatasa. Who are you? And where did you come from? Then he says, Tattvam Chintaya. Now, okay, Tat Iha, right now, think of this truth. Chintana, think of this truth, oh brother. So it's now he's like, I said everything. Oh brother, think of this truth. Who is this wife? Who is this son? Who are you? And where did you come from? Think of this truth. Think of the source. Okay, let's think. Anyway, we have like 5-6 minutes left. So let's think. Who is this spouse? Let's not take only wife because he is addressing wife. Who is this spouse? Are, she is my wife or my husband. Okay, good. Where did this wife come from? Or where did this husband come from? Where did the spouse come from? From their parents, from their family. She is the daughter of this person or these parents, or she is the son. He is the son of these parents. Where did the wife and husband come from? They came from this family. Okay. How did they enter into that family? Her mummy papa or his mummy papa came together and they produced the child. And this child, this girl or boy became my spouse. Okay, good. How did this child, just by coming together, come out? Not possible. So then the man gave the seed to the woman and she kept the seed in her womb. And then this wife and husband came out. Very good. Okay. Now, where did that seed come from? See, we are going, so let's go back. Where did that seed come from? Are Baba, that seed came because that man was eating properly. The father, okay? was eating properly, from which the virya came and the seed was generated. Okay, so you're saying the seed came because he ate the food. Okay, so it came from annam, from the food. Okay, where did that rice come from that he ate and made the seed? From the farm. Now we'll say supermarket, but let's go to the farm or the field where it was growing. And the farmer gave it to, and it came to the stomach eventually. Okay. So where did that rice, that annam come from? From the rice paddy field. Okay. How did it grow there? Where did it grow there? How did it come? It came because of earth. Where did it grow? In the earth, in the soil, in the mud. And then you put some cow dung, and then it grew well. What? The rice. Okay? And from where did the rice come? From the mud. Okay? From the mud, the food grew. The food, the man ate. The man made the seed. The seed he gave to the woman. She kept it nice and warm and then gave birth. Then a child is born, and that child is my wife or husband today. So what is the source? Mud. We went back to the source. So what is your wife today? Mud. Don't think like this. What are you today? How did you come? He is not living at wife and husband. And where did the son come from? Same source. Okay, very good. Where did you come from? Same source. So one piece of mud, one blob, okay, of mud is attached to another blob of mud. Hey, it's not mud. It has a form. Okay, it has a form, but finally it is mud. How did it come? From mud. Where will it go? To mud. But in between, I'm going to play this drama of life and become very attached and bring misery into my life. So mud to mud. We begin like this. Mud to mud is the journey. So when he says, Kate Kanta, mud. Kaste Putra, mud. Who are you? Mud. What are you crying about? The form, the name. But what is the form and name made of? Mud. Then why are you crying about mud? Mitti. Imagine mitti se mitti. But I want to cry about the mitti. Hey, Amuda. That is why he is saying Adi Shankara. Mudamate. What are these making him? Oh, brother, think. Who is this spouse? Who is this parent? Who is this child? Who are you? You all are coming from the mud. And in between, we get, of course, there is a form and there is a name and there is a shape and there is everything. So we are stuck in that. Source, mud. Mitti se mitti. We listen to Kabir Das song, mitti, I love this one and bhajan. But all the time they're saying this only. मैंने मिट्टी से प्रेम किया. नहीं. From the mitti, the akara was given, and that akara I fell in love with. But I should know now that that akara will become mud again. You made a pot, okay, from mud. When you crumble it, it becomes mud again. For that, I'm going to sit and cry now. What a beautiful akara. Okay, cry. But then go back and think, Arey Baba, it was mitti. So mitti to mitti, the mud to mud is a journey. Oh brother, think of this.